Hey guys, got this package in the mail today. I wonder what it is. Let's open it and find out. So I'm gonna make the little cuts, not going all the way through. Okay, that should do it. Let's see. Ooh, lots of popcorn. All right. And and it's a card. It says, "Thank you. We know that you have the choice of whom you do business with and want to thank you for entrusting Little Switzerland with this special purchase. We are happy to assist you with any future watch or jewelry needs you may have for yourself, family, and friends, and for any special occasions that you are commemorating. If you require further assistance, please feel free to reach out to your personal shopping consultant or contact customer service team. We are at your service. Warm regards, Little Switzerland." That's so sweet. You spent a lot of money and they send you a thank you card. Okay. And the card. All right. This has a lot of popcorn, little packing popcorn. I'm gonna try to take this next box out. Well, I want to take it out. Thought this was going everywhere, but, ooh, okay. We got some on the floor. Ooh, a lovely black box. Let's see what's inside. Lovely black box. Here we go. So what we have here is an Omega Speedmaster Professional. So what you have is a box inside of a box. This is nice. Right here, this little ribbon, you pull it out, and we'll have a book with pictures and history of the Speedmaster. Bunch of stuff from NASA, pictures and the history about the watch. The pages have this nice red accent around the edges. Also, right here on the side, you'll have your operation instruction manual. It's paper. And then here is the box. Pretty nice heavyweight box. The outside is fabric, feels like some type of canvas. Velcro straps. Let's open it up. Oh no. Guess that happened in shipping. And here we have the Sapphire edition of the Moonwatch. I'll take it out. And it should already be sized. So how we wanted it. Underneath the watch, we have the cards with reference number. Put that back. So the cushion that the watch comes on has the larger part, and then if you have a smaller wrist, if you need smaller display, the cushion is smaller. You can put this back. I'll put the watch back on there. Also, underneath, if you lift this up, you have a place for your microfiber cloth, the watch itself, and the lovely red cards with the information on the watch. And then here are, oops, upside down. Here are the links. Like I said, it was pre-sized. Now, this is really cool. This comes out of the main box and can be used as a travel case, which is really nice. So you don't have to bring this big handsome box with you when you're on vacation or out for work and business. This will keep your watch nice, snug, and protected without having to tote around something as big as the main presentation box. So here's the watch. Let's see. I'm gonna open it up. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's nice. Let's see what it looks like on my wrist. Oh, it's very handsome. I said this is a sapphire edition. Put it back. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.